Hey, today we're doing something pretty cool. I'm going to walk you through a simple and free setup of your first AI stack. Pretty exciting. If you've installed Linux in a hypervisor or are willing to learn, this is your lab. Pause here and 1, go grab the command guide from our GitHub page listed in the video description, and 2, start the Rocky 9 download listed in the video description or go grab it from the website. Having your own AI model is huge, especially if you're willing to train it a little. You could use it to help write pen test material, develop proprietary or sensitive documentation, vulnerability analysis on proprietary code, or analysis of sensitive logs. Plus, you'll get some big bragging rights with your friends. Perhaps you'll be the first one to deploy an AI stack. And with that, let's get to it. Now run some general updates and give yourself a little time for these to finish. Grab a snack or a drink and then we can continue. Just follow along on the guide. Let's go to the next item. We are going to install repo management tools. I'm pasting from the guide just like you will here. Let's add the Docker repo. And now let's install Docker. Let's start and enable Docker. And let's add ourselves to the Docker user group, so we're not running Docker with sudo. Don't forget to apply the permissions. And a quick docker ps command should show us that we don't need to use sudo. You can see the next item on the list is to grab your IP address. You'll need this in one of the next steps. In here, we are going to run the Ollama container in the background, expose it on port 11434, and store model data in a persistent volume. And now let's grab the Tiny Llama model. Now let's use curl to test our Tiny Llama model with a basic question: what is 2 plus 2? Alright, and it returned a result. Our container is up and running. And now we're going to pull the Open WebUI container, expose it on port 3000, and point it to the AI model's API. You're on the home stretch. We just need to open port 3000 on our virtual machine. Don't forget to reload your firewall rules. And now let's pivot over to your browser. Over HTTP, navigate to your IP address for the WebUI. Now enter some information, and you're in your new AI stack. Show me some SQL injection. Pretty amazing, and wildly simple thanks to Docker. Hey, don't go just yet. I have a few things that will be real helpful. You did something pretty cool just now. Developing your skills further here can make you very valuable, and not just in cyber. You might want to get a larger model if you have some RAM to spare, and if you have some GPU, you can learn to fine-tune your model. Grab a tool like Unsloth, find a YouTube walkthrough, and follow along with a small model on Google Colab or a rented GPU, and you'll have the basics down in an afternoon. That wasn't scary, right? Now take the next few steps and further develop your skills here. Check back in a few weeks for our next video, or subscribe on the screen so you can be notified when it drops.